really enjoyed it. I felt like it was very in tune to the consumer, to the dentist and dental technician. I felt it was very practical, and I felt that the three stations that we went to were easy to understand, and they were good exercises for people who are just learning how to use digital technology in dentistry.
It was great. It was very, very useful. I learned a lot today, and it was a very nice experience to spend Saturday with you guys.
Sildy was very, very nice. You could tell it was designed for the benefit of the consumer. As I say, anybody in dentistry, the way it was designed, the size of the conference room, and also the meeting room made it very easy to get continuing education here.
The facility is great. It's brand new. Looks very, very clean, sharp. There is a lot of stuff. We went through a lot of stuff today, and we learned so much with you. So I'm sure it's going to be very, very useful for us for our clinical practice and in the clinic. So that's great. The facility is beautiful.
I felt like I got something out of it. That's a key thing. I walked out of here and I felt like I know more than I did when I came here.
Yeah, I will be down for it. I cannot wait to learn from you again.